Hi, ladies. I hope that you are having so much fun on your Facebook party. And I just wanted to come to you really quick and explain a little bit about the auction and how that works. So, whatever time the event is scheduled for, that is when the auction is going to start. So if the event is scheduled for 8 p.m., the auction will start at 8 p.m. and then every 3 minutes an item will post. So you want to be on this Facebook event at the time of the event because that is when all auction items will post. Remember, you earn bag bucks by commenting on every post, by placing an order. It's also based on what day you place your order for extra bag bucks, so you'll definitely want to get those in. And then again, the day of the event, at that time, I will post the auction welcome. 3 minutes after that, the first item will go up for auction. And 3 minutes after that, that one will end. And if there's more, it'll just continue on like that every 3 minutes. I am so glad you've joined us. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.